admirable gesture to a mom's request touched the hearts of many. Yes, Ken has warmed the hearts of many with his gesture upon seeing a mom's request for her child with autism. There and then, Ken stopped to draw for her child. In fact, he was so focused on his drawing na muntikan na nitong makalimutan ang kanyang linya sa mapa. Fans had to remind him of his line.
Ipikit ng iyong mata. Thank you, Ken!